elements one by one in exam? What if I tell you this simple logic can give you guaranteed marks in data structures? Today we'll master linear search with code, logic, and execution. Linear search is the simplest searching technique. It checks each element one by one until the required element is found. This question is very common in exams, so don't skip this. Let's understand step by step. We have an array, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. We are searching for 30. Step 1. Start loop from index 0. Step 2. Compare each element with key. Step 3. If match found, print position. Step 4. Stop loop using break. If no match, print not found. This is called linear search because it searches in a straight line. Now, let's execute the code. First iteration, 10 is not equal to 30. Second iteration, 20 is not equal to 30. Third iteration, 30 is equal to 30. So element found at position 3. This is how linear search works in real execution. Important for exam. Time complexity equals O of n. Works on unsorted data. Very easy to implement, but slow for large data. If you want all data structure programs like this for exam, subscribe now and comment DS for full playlist.